beautiful artwork. So cut the heart shape from cardboard and paste it. Now put the pink clay and cut small pieces of mask, or you can use tissue paper, dab all of them, make the grass, and look, your artwork is ready. Here we're going to dab the green paint and make the tree trunks. So roll this white color of foam net and dab the color on the top of the tree trunk, and look how pretty this tree is looking. You can also make some flowers around. Here we are going to draw the grass using toothbrush. Now tear this apple shape and we're going to paste it on the sheet of paper. Now we are drawing this worm using clay, and look how pretty this artwork is looking. Let's draw some beautiful planets using clay. So we're going to mix these clay and make a ball. Now we're going to press it on the top of this black circle, and you can also add some rings around, and look, it's ready. Here we're going to trace lines around the fingers, remove it and draw the eyes. We're going to make a very creative craft here. So we are using this pink color of clay and we are making the flowers. Press the green clay and make the grass, and it's ready. Here we are going to make the crown of the tree using clay and masks. Let's get started. Color the mask green, cut small pieces and dab all of them on this green clay. Using a pointy object, draw the grass by pressing the clay, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to press this brown color of clay using fingers and make the soil. After this, we are making some grass as well and some ant using black clay. Put the eyes and draw the antennas, and it's ready. Thank you so much.